guys, Katrina here. It is ever really. Welcome back to my channel. I'm sorry that it has taken me so long to upload this video, but as you can understand, we're really busy at the minute, especially given that my dad's going through cancer treatment and I'm taking him to the hospital most days, but our health always comes first, so we had to put it back a wee bit until we felt better. I'm sure you can all understand anyway. In today's video I'm going to show you how I vacuum and generally tidy up. Some people believe that wheelchair users like myself can't do anything for themselves, especially basic housework. In today's video I will show you how I do it. Now, as usual, I have to give a disclaimer for this. If you have a different condition to me, this might not be suitable for you, so please consult an occupational therapist to see whether this is suitable for you. Also, please remember to pace yourself when you're doing this. Pacing is something that I use every day to help my pain levels and to help my energy levels as well. If I'm getting too tired or too sore, I go and sit down. Well, I'm already technically sitting down, but I go and do something else and have a rest, and then go back to the thing that I'm doing maybe the next day or something, just so that it doesn't aggravate my pain. So I start off by using my trusty grabber to lift big things that are too big to get in the hoover. They might get stuck, so it's better to lift them first. Then I go and get the hoover out of the closet and close the door to make sure that Max stays out. There he is there, trying to come in and chase me around with the hoover. I use this type of hoover as opposed to the other one, which I believe is called the upright hoover, because I find this one easier to pull around behind me instead of having to push it. I then plug the hoover in and get started. I reach down to touch the start button on the hoover itself, and then I lift the hose and start to clean the couch. The suction's good and strong. And then reattach the floor attachment of the hose and lock my brakes at the same time. And then I do a patch of the floor. I make sure and do it as best as possible. I then unlock my brakes, move forward and repeat the process over and over again until the whole room is finished. If you liked this video or if you found it of any use, please give me a thumbs up, and I will put a link at the top of the screen here. I forget whichever site it comes up on, but it's at the top somewhere anyway, to the rest of this series. Please feel free to comment on how you do things about the house, and if you like this channel, please subscribe. I've had a few new people quite recently, so thank you if you're new. And if you're new, please don't forget to hit the notification bell as YouTube does not notify you when I upload a video unless you hit the notification bell. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.